Hi, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. This is the place to be to learn how to paint loose watercolor flowers. In today's video, I'm painting this pink and purple daisy bouquet. Really quick before we get started, I wanted to tell you about my watercolor supply checklist. It's a freebie that I created to help you know exactly what to get if you're starting out with watercolor painting. I have all the paper, paint colors, paint brushes, and extra tools that I recommend using. And you can grab that using the link in the description box below or head to my website snowberrydesignco.com to get your copy. All of the supplies I'm using will be linked down in the description box below if you'd like to check that out. I'm starting by painting the 3 centers of my large daisies with isoindolin yellow. Next, I'm mixing alizarin crimson with a little bit of opera rose and then painting the petals of my flowers. You can see that I'm going up right next to the center, but I'm careful not to actually touch the center. I take that back. I accidentally got it here, which is why my petals were seeping with yellow. So to get rid of that, I just took a dry brush and then scooped up the yellow paint before it gets a chance to dry. I'll just repeat this process with my other 2 daisies, and I'm just gradually adding in a little bit more opera rose to my color so that there's a nice gradual change in that pink color. Now I'm mixing some perylene violet and a little bit of alizarin crimson, and then I'm painting some smaller 5-petaled flowers. I'm not being really careful with these, they're kind of blobby flowers, and that's okay. I'll go back in and add some details to them later. For now, I'm moving on to my greenery and leaves. I'm starting with these sprig type leaves. I used sap green and a little bit of Turner's yellow and then some water to get that light green color. Next, I'm mixing in a little bit of Hooker's green to vary the color just a little bit on these larger leaves. There are still some gaps of white, so I'm trying to fill in some of the space with these little sprigs. I need to fill in more of this white space, so I've watered down some of that purple color and I'm adding in some soft purple berries. While the berries dry, I'm adding these details on my larger flowers that have now dried. Next, I'm adding in the veins on my leaves to add a little extra dimension, and then finishing off the berries with some stems and tiny leaves. I hope you liked this video. Let me know that you liked it by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing this with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post a new watercolor video every week. Thanks again for watching. Bye!